Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find this push notifications section. As you can see, there is a bunch of options concerning notifications and reminders. So you can select whether you would like to get a notification when there is an artwork published, when your artwork is liked, when a comment about an artwork or your artwork is posted, or when a comment of an artwork's artist is posted, or you can also select whether you would like to get reminders and notifications of the news. So if you would like to select any of these, just simply click on the relevant button next to it. If you are done with it, just simply click on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the settings section, thereby saving all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.